Understanding the money-back guarantee promise. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might have seen while shopping online or in stores: money-back guarantee. This phrase is not just about shopping. It's a key part of understanding consumer rights and business practices in English-speaking countries. Let's break it down together. The term money-back guarantee is a promise from a seller to a buyer. It means that if you buy a product or service and are not satisfied with it, you can return it within a certain period, and the seller will refund the amount you paid. This guarantee is designed to build trust between the seller and the buyer, showing that the seller is confident about the quality of their product or service. Why is this concept so important? First, it gives confidence to the buyer. Knowing that you can get your money back if you're not happy with a purchase makes you more likely to try new products or services. Second, it reflects the reliability and customer-oriented approach of a business. A company that offers a money-back guarantee is often seen as trustworthy and committed to high customer satisfaction. However, it's crucial to understand that a money-back guarantee comes with conditions and limitations. These might include a specific time frame for returning the product, like 30 days, the condition in which the product must be returned, and sometimes, the process of how to claim the refund. Always read the fine print to know what these conditions are before making a purchase. When you see the phrase, money-back guarantee, in an advertisement or product description, remember to look for any detailed terms and conditions associated with the guarantee. If you're in a situation where you need to use this guarantee, be polite but firm, and clearly state why the product or service did not meet your expectations. And there you have it, a closer look at what money-back guarantee means and why it's significant for both consumers and businesses. We hope this video helps you navigate your shopping experiences more confidently and encourages you to explore new products and services without fear. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.